Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. I want to talk a little bit about home technology, in particular, controlling your lights. It's a great way to save money and have the flexibility with a new product line from Lutron called Caseta. Now, at the core of what this is, it's a switch that you would mount on a wall, whether it's a switch or a dimmer, and then it has a remote that you can put anywhere in your home. You could mount it on a wall, you could put it next to your nightstand, and you create a three-way switch with these two devices. Now, the part that you mount on the wall has a little button battery that lasts up to 10 years. It's really quite amazing, and you can put these throughout your home. If you want to have more control, well, then they have a system that actually has a hub. This hub allows you to connect up to 75 different devices. It'll integrate with your Google Home, your Siri, your Alexa. You can connect Sonos speakers if you wanted to the unit. And you can make a profile if you'd like, because with the hub, you can connect to an app. So let's say you want to watch a movie. You want to dim the lights, you go to your smartphone, click the button, movies, dims the lights down. Let's say you're going on vacation and you want to randomly turn the lights on throughout your home. No set time, random, right? You can do that with the app. Very easy to install. Oh, and the way these things communicate with each other, it's their own proprietary signal. So it doesn't use your Wi-Fi. It is amazing technology, as I mentioned, easy to install. If you want to learn more, you can go to acehardware.com or shop your local Ace Hardware store.